Hi, this is Rakesh working as a Java developer in Spyro Group of Companies. My topic is live. Live means lightweight integrity verification and content access control for named data networking. Named data networking is a new paradigm for the future internet wherein interest and the data packets carry content's name rather than the current IP address of source and destination addresses. Security is built into NDN by embedding public key signature in each data packet to enable verification of authenticity and integrity of the content. However, existing heavyweight signature generation and verification algorithm prevent universal integrity verification among NDN nodes. Furthermore, it allows a content provider to control access in NDN nodes by selectively distributing integrity verification tokens to authorized nodes. Then come for existing system. In existing heavyweight signature generation and verification algorithm prevent universal integrity verification among NDN nodes, which may result in content pollutions and denial of services attacks. We propose a lightweight integrity verification architecture that emphasizes controlling content access in NDN by leveraging content integrity verification. We also analyze CP's security policies for content access in NDN nodes to ensure security content access. Existing algorithm, named data networking algorithm proposed. We are using a key generation and encryption algorithm. Technique definition: security mechanism in NDN with a minimal extensions. Particularly, our design is based on the fact that the current NDN design requires a signature field in each content packet for content integrity verifications. Technique definition for proposed: the signing algorithm is live performed by a content provider. To generate a signature for a content, the content provider needs to generate a new token by vector X and uses the hash algorithm to produce a new token. The NDN node computes the bit vector G with the MHD algorithm according to the receiver content and the token. So drawback of the existing traditional signature schemes: it is not easy to revoke public keys, so that is maybe not be possible to revoke content verifications permissions assigned to the content various routers. Advantages: simply integrity verification in live. We seek to address efficient integrity verification content access control. Application of the project is online banking services, and the second one is online examinations. Then hardware and software requirements: hardware processor Pentium, RAM 512 MB, monitor 15 inches, hard disk 50 GB, and software front-end Java, backend MySQL, operating system Windows 7, IDE is Eclipse. Our proposed system already we discussed above. Then come for future enhancement. Feature: we investigate a more efficient token refresh scheme and leveraging group key management schemes to enable token management for sensitive contents and to implement content provider authentication during token refreshment. In future, we are using a group secret key generation algorithm. Enrichment: simply integrity verification live should be enhanced. We seek to address efficient integrity verification content access control with a single solution in the network layer. Extra versions are internet wherein interest and the packet data carry out content name rather than the current IP paradigm of source and destination addresses. Security is built into NDN to the public key. Thank you.